everyone, Dav Spear here from Smith's in Swansea. This is my new listing in Oxwich. It's Oxwich Green Farmhouse, situated within a beautiful plot, substantial floor space as well. This is my new listing, a 4-bed detached. Follow me inside and take a look for yourself. Internally, we have a huge floor space. As you can see, we are standing in the kitchen and dining room, which is a nice bespoke fitted kitchen. The rest of the property comprises of 3 reception rooms, bathrooms, downstairs cloaks. We have a conservatory just behind you, and upstairs we have 4 double bedrooms, ensuite and main bathroom, with a huge loft conversion, which I'll leave to your imagination. We're on the rear patio now, and as you can see behind me, the garden is substantial. To my left-hand side, we've got the annex, and I'd be delighted to show you. So follow me over. Here in the annex, we've got a games room, tiled flooring throughout, kitchen to my left with rear access, fully fitted bathroom, and access just over in the corner there to the upstairs, where we've got a lovely space for an office or separate snug. So that was our property in Oxwich. Oxwich Green Farmhouse is an idyllic spot. It's a stunning property, and as you can see, we've got plenty of grounds here as well to enjoy for friends and family alike. I'd be delighted to speak to you. If this is something of interest to yourself or somebody you know, please get in contact with us. Call me directly. My number is on the screen. Call the office. Looking forward to speaking to you soon. Enjoy the view from up there. Thank you.